Every bottle of premium wine begins here, among vines shaped by time.
Harvest begins with human judgment, guided by ripeness and care.
Each cluster is assessed because quality cannot be rushed.
Precision at harvest protects the flavor locked inside. Volume grows, but standards never fall. From vine to motion, the journey officially begins.
Nothing leaves the field without final confirmation.
What was grown by nature now moves toward transformation. Timing matters, because grapes begin changing the moment they're picked.
Short distances give way to industrial-scale movement. Protection during transport preserves quality at arrival. Fresh harvest now enters the supply chain. Distance is covered quickly to protect natural sugars. The agricultural world meets industrial precision.
From open fields into controlled environments.
Every route inside the plant is designed for flow.
Inside, every variable is controlled. The production line awakens. This facility is where agriculture becomes engineered wine. Accuracy begins before a single grape is unloaded. Accuracy begins before a single grape is unloaded. Safety controls protect people and product alike. Safety controls protect people and product alike. The harvest is officially received. The harvest is officially received. Material handling keeps grapes intact. Material handling keeps grapes intact. Gentle handling preserves natural juice. Inside, every variable is controlled. From this point on, the process never stops. Before transformation, purity must be restored. Airflow separates what weight cannot hide.
Human eyes still define acceptable quality.
Only the best fruit proceeds. Cleanliness prepares grapes for precision sorting. Uniformity ensures predictable fermentation. Preparation ends where transformation begins.
This is where structure breaks and juice is released.
Stems are removed to protect balance and flavor.
Every byproduct has its designated path.
Pressure is carefully limited to protect taste.
Juice, skins, and pulp now move together. Completion is confirmed, not assumed. Automation ensures consistency at every transfer. Every decision is executed mechanically. Clarity begins at the microscopic level. Hygiene runs parallel to production. A single room oversees the entire process. Data drives precision at industrial scale.
Logic replaces guesswork.
Even sampling is automated.
Automation hands off to refinement. Refinement begins where consistency is perfected.
Time and motion soften sharp edges.
Oxygen is introduced in measured breaths.
Balance is achieved through calculated blending. Stability ensures longevity.
Unwanted crystals are removed before they form.
Clarity reflects discipline.
The product nears its final form. Quality is verified before it is sealed. Testing begins steps away from production. Every variable is measured, not guessed.
Stability protects shelf life.
Human senses remain the final reference.
Approval is granted only when all parameters align.
Only approved wine moves forward. Quality assurance clears the path to completion. The wine finally meets its vessel.
Sealing protects everything achieved before. Identity is assigned with precision. Efficiency meets repetition without error.
Volume becomes shipment. Storage preserves readiness for demand.
Distribution completes the industrial cycle.
And this is how modern factories produce premium wine from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.